guys, welcome back to an episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we are back out in Azusa Canyon for mudding with moms because it's Mother's Day today. So we came out Sunday. We're here to have some fun. We're here to do some cool stuff. And we have a spectator. You ready to talk on camera, young man? Are you ready? You know what you're going to say? All right, no pressure. What's up?
There's so many monster trucks here. And then why is there rocks here? So
tell me what happened over here. What's going on over here?
What's happened?
What happened?
Show us what happened.
So the axle, almost got broken, but it just got broken.
What do you think? Should we have stacked more rocks?
No!
You see, young man knows. The young man knows. Doing a little bit of testing on Bruceberry. Already got it stuck. And it's not even exciting how I got it stuck. I just pinned the drive shaft on something. So cool. We're gonna pull Bruceberry back and we're gonna line it up again. But we're here in Azusa Canyon. It's Mother's Day. Obviously, happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers out there. And we're just here to have some fun. You know, some people brought out some moms. Bryce is providing all the moms today.
I brought three moms, and grandma's coming.
We got a grandma coming, so let's get Bruceberry unstuck, and then we'll get to some mudding eventually. Yeah. Let's get it.
You got to keep it harder driver than that.
Like that, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Hey, driver. Come down real slow.
Oh, that is so funky.
That's a fucking picture.
That tire's about to climb in about another foot and a half.
Yeah.
Bro.
That's fucking sick.
There you go. You're coming down. You psycho!
Oh my goodness!
I didn't get to see what it looks like, but fucking hey.
Let's see if you lift tire anywhere. That'll be it.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. Did you feel it?
Just a little.
Yeah.
Woo, Becky!
Give me a chow, Beckett. There you go.
You ready, Bryce? Go, Bryce! There you go. It's turbo! He's going.
Turn right, Grandma, turn right! Get it! Woo! Ow! Ah, slow down, Grandma! Ah, slow down, Grandma! Slow down! Oh, Grandma, you scare me. Ah! I can't. Take me back to camp, Grandma. You're gonna kill me.
Not yet. I gotta kill you first.
Oh no! Where are we going? Why didn't we go back to camp?
Not yet. It ain't time. It's still daylight.
Oh, Grandma, slow down!
You're gonna cause me to pee my pants. Okay, do I go back around?
No, just pull right here. Just pull right here. Oh my God.
All right, Crazy Grandma Part 2, like that movie.
Okay, now.
All right,
See ya!
Mandy's gonna drive.
No!
No way. Yeah. Let's get it. She's cheesing right now. We're all dying down here. It's almost closing time, so I think we're gonna wrap it up here. But solid day in Azusa. We did a few cool things today. You know, we did some Bruceberry testing. We did some, you know, the mud is good, and we have a lot of big trucks out here having fun. And then we did mom and grandma things, which was a freaking riot. So shout out to Bryce and Sierra for bringing all the moms and all the grandmas, because we had some damn fun today.
Oh yeah.
Woo! And then shout out to Canyon Mom for being Canyon Mom. But that's all we got for this Azusa video. Stay tuned. We'll be coming back again soon. We got a lot of stuff going on, but we are all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and especially Patreon. You also set up for shirt, tats, hoodies, and all those other goodies at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. Bryce, look at this is the plug for the shirt. Turn around. Look at that shirt. Woo! Woo! Shoo! Hit us up so you can buy that shirt off of his back. That's all we got for this video. Thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.